County coastal and San Diego County coastal areas. High surf advisory remains in effect from 9 p.m. this evening to 2 a.m. Monday. Waves and surf 4 to 7 feet. Sets to 9 feet south of Del March. Timing, this evening through early Monday morning, high as Sunday morning. Impacts, strong rip currents and hazardous swimming conditions. Localized beach erosion possible. Minor flooding of low-lying coastal areas will be possible during high tide on Sunday morning. A high surf advisory means that high surf will affect beaches in the advisory area, producing localized beach erosion and dangerous swimming conditions. These are the 9 p.m. marine observations for the coast.